Hey there. Just wanted to give you an update. Last year I did a video about the belt sander breaking. And this belt sander kept breaking brand new belts all in the same place. And it's perfectly clean brakes. So I thought that it was one of the wheels freezing up or just jamming up on one of the guides. And come to find out, it was none of the above. A simple solution that I should have caught early on in my diagnostics of what was wrong with the belt sander was the belts. I got a bad batch of belts. So today, or the other day, I got a cheap batch of belts in because I pulled the machine apart, cleaned the belts, or cleaned the bearings, all of this stuff going, okay, let's see what happens. And it wasn't the bearings at all. It was just the belt. So to save you that trouble in the future, if you have a belt sander that keeps breaking belts, may not be the machine. It may be the belts. You just get a bad batch, they got bad adhesive, whatever. But as you can see, works perfectly fine. So thought I'd just give you an FYI as to how sometimes we overthink things, or I do. Sometimes I'm a complete idiot. So good luck. Have a great day.